Hello everyone, this is Peppery. In this video, I'll show you how to connect MDI logs to Microsoft Sentinel and then link those Sentinel logs to Power BI for advanced analytics and visualization. I won't be covering the full MDI setup process today, but let's quickly check if it's already configured. Go to the Defender portal. Then navigate to Settings and select Identities. As you can see on the screen, the domain controller, ADFS, and Entra Connect servers are all active. Recently, the MDI sensor architecture has changed. You can see that the domain controller is running version 3.x. With this version, as long as the domain controller is onboarded to MDI, can collect signals without needing a separate sensor installation. Just like how the MDI sensor recognizes endpoint DLP signals, this change means that MDI is also moving toward a more integrated approach. It's a very positive development, and right now it's still in the preview stage. Once it becomes generally available, I'll make a video covering the full setup process. After you've finished setting up MDI, you'll be able to view the collected signals in advanced hunting. Depending on your configuration, you can view not only AD login records here, but also M365 login activity. However, when you look at those logs just through queries, you are really only seeing small pieces of the overall picture. To gain real insight into all the activity happening across your tenant, you need visualization. That's why I'll show you how to connect these logs to Sentinel and then bring them into Power BI for deeper analysis. That's why I'll show you how to connect these logs to. Additionally, from my personal experience, filtering event logs directly from AD isn't easy. One of the great advantages of MDI is that it organizes and streamlines these logs, making analysis much more manageable. Previously, I showed you how to connect Defender XDR logs to Sentinel. In this step, we'll link MDI log and register on Enterprise app to get the necessary permissions for log analytics. On this screen, select all the checkboxes under Microsoft Defender for Identity and then click Save. After you finish the setup, wait a little while and then check to see if the logs are being collected. After For this video, I'll be following the diagram you see on the screen. I use the Log Analytics API to export these logs as CSV files, upload them to SharePoint, and then connect everything to Power BI. Exporting logs using the Share menu is technically possible, but there are limits on the number of queries you can run. Since these logs need to be exported regularly, this method isn't really suitable. Move to Entra Admin Center, app registration, new registration. Enter the app name, then click register to continue. Next, let's go through the process of adding permissions for the Log Analytics API. Copy the generated value and store it securely. Go to Log Analytics workspaces and assign the necessary permissions to the app you just created. Go to Log Analytics workspaces and assign the necessary permissions to the app you just created. Now using the app you just registered, you can run a PowerShell script to export logs from Sentinel as CSV files. First, check the following details. As you can see on the screen, I've uploaded an AI-generated script to my blog. Feel free to use it as a reference as you follow along. Feel free Once the export process in PowerShell is finished, upload the log files to your SharePoint team site. Sentinel also provides queries that let you access logs stored in Log Analytics directly from Power BI. However, due to limitations in Log Analytics, you can only export up to 63 MB at a time. I'll mention this method just for reference, without going into further detail. Just like before, open a blank query in Power BI and paste in the script from my blog that loads files from SharePoint. With this query, you can load the MDI log and, if needed, convert certain columns to JSON format before saving them. I won't be covering the design aspect in this video. Instead, I'll just show you how to create each template and build your report by copying and pasting. There are plenty of Power BI YouTubers who explain how to design BI reports in a simple way. So I recommend checking out their videos for more tips. By connecting BI with MDI, you can gain valuable insights. When you select each element, you will be able to see the relative values and compare them. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.